Hey, YouTube. What's up? How's it going today? I am here today to inform y'all about Frankie the Alligator. And Frankie the Alligator, man, he was the coolest alligator on the bayou. He was also a furriest alligator, man. He ain't one too many cats. Man, he got furry. Cause it got so cold down here. And you know how it is, alligators ain't got no fur. Well, boy, I tell you, this alligator grew some fur. It was the furriest alligator. And I saw him on the bayou side one day. And I said to myself, boy, he looks nice and cuddly. I think I'm gonna pet Frankie the alligator. Boy, that was a bad idea, I tell you. I walked up to Frankie the alligator. I put my hand down. And boy, he tried to bite my ass off. Man, that was not nice. Boy, he hissed at me. And I thought he was gonna kill me. So I started running. Boy, I was running. I was running too. I was running real fast. Man, ooh, that wasn't nice. Poor Frankie the alligator got run over by 18-wheeler. That wasn't nice. Now, my Frankie the alligator still lives on in my cousin Cadillac. He, he got some leather seats. That's from Frankie the alligator. He got a coat made out of Frankie the alligator's fur. He got Frank's claws hanging from his rearview mirror. His head out the back windshield, and his tail as a hood ornament. Now, that's the story of Frankie the Alligator, and I'll be back soon to give y'all another video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.